Yo, what's up? I'm in the most exciting place today in Bali so far. This is my Gojek driver. Grab driver. I just hired him. I gonna give him good tip. Don't worry about that. Anyway, this is the entrance to the famous Canggu shortcut, guys. Probably the most exciting place. Everybody talking about this place already for many years, but especially in the past few 2, 3, 4 years has changed a lot. I'm gonna show you why. First of all, if you see, here is the no access by car, but so many cars is driving here. This is welcome to Canggu shortcut and welcome to Bali, welcome to Indonesia. So many people driving around loudly, and also this beautiful shortcut that was the simply beautiful small road through the rice fields bordering two different villages here in Canggu. One-way road only for motorbikes, but as you see there are even trucks driving. But also what is so exciting here is this, as in 2017 there was super quiet and there was nothing here around, literally nothing. That's only this small path. But now, as you see, there is millions of ugly billboards here. I'm sorry to say they are ugly because they are ugly. Look at this. Want Nips like slogan, like this guy. I don't know what's going on here actually, to be honest. And also this mess with the cars. And they built something here, something also, I don't know what is it. And yeah, that's how it looks like. Many of you remember the Canggu shortcut when it was a beautiful small road through the rice fields going to Eco Beach or something like this. That's only what left here, this piece of rice field here. Also people driving crazy fast here. This is the Canggu vibe, Canggu people, Canggu babes. Also interesting here, where is the signs now, billboards. Almost every day somebody fall down to the rice. Maybe not every day. There was the time when almost every day. Then was the current situation. Now sometimes, time to time, just people fall down to the rice field. That's why there is no more rice, because the farmers are losing rice every time. And so many billboards. People driving without helmets, but they wearing masks actually. So okay, I'm gonna turn on my drone, put in the sky, and we will see how it looks situation here. It's not that busy. It's actually currently quiet, could say, because Bali is obviously quiet, but still it's quiet, busy to compare to the other parts of Bali. Anyway, okay, I'm here with my driver. Hello. Hello. And normally before there was just the local people used to live. I mean, like local houses, but then development come to Canggu, they start building villas, mostly villas and houses here, and this is the main entrance, and so many cafe and restaurants around. Alright, just come back from the famous Canggu shortcut to another famous place in Canggu, which is Finn's Beach Club. And yeah, that's how it looks like. Check this out. Who is with me today?
Hi, yo, what's up?
You was missing, Rani? No,
I was in the car because I don't know why. I was thinking like better Damian just go to the shortcut and then I stay inside the car due to the safety
reason. Anyway, we're gonna go there because the beach obviously today is officially open, not like last time when we were here. So that's how it looks, the hustle and bustle of Canggu vibe next to the Finn's Beach Club. Many Canggu babes here. Oh, have to be careful what's going on here. Anyway, I call some of the ladies here as Canggu babes. This is not offensive. This is just everybody know. Everybody. This is like a local trend here, isn't it? You are also Canggu babe?
No, unfortunately not.
Oh, honey. Oh, that's how it looks like. Where this guy is coming, what he's trying to do. Mate, that's not really best idea to coming here by car. There's the doggo guy. Finn's Beach Club, but I don't know what the hell is going on here. Seems like some party around. Oh wow. Let's go to the beach, we will see. Seems like here is some birthday party for the foreigners. Looks pretty cool. Something new, something fresh. everybody interested what's going on. Sayang, I think the Canggu life is back to normal, yeah? Or any kind of normal, isn't it?
Yes, Canggu life, I can say, is back to normal because last time when we were here, the gate was closed, but now open, and Fins Beach Club already full. And
Yeah, let's see what's going on here, guys, today. But at the same time, it's not that many people on the beach, even they could be, but there is not that, but still, because, well, obviously not many foreigners in Canggu, mostly locals. Well, basically we are at the front of the Fins Beach Club, which is the, well, obviously Canggu Shortcut and Fins Beach Club. That's the two most exciting, hype, top places in Canggu. So far, as you see, it's quite busy inside the club, actually.
so Damian means that whenever you search on Google about Canggu, those two places will come up first.
Yeah, I mean, on the like a trend and the other people, it's not my personal recommendation. I'm not a big fan either of Canggu Shortcut or this club, or either of Canggu in general. But yeah, if you are looking for the trends, like you wanna put Bali in the Google, like long time ago there was the Kuta, now it's this one. So everything is changing. Anyway, many people actually already also said as the Canggu is like a new Kuta. Well, obviously it's called still Kuta Regency technically by maps, but the trend of the people and the tourism, the Canggu is like a new Kuta, like Kuta 20, 30 years ago, something like that.
Maybe last time when we were here, the locals' warung was still closed. But today, you see here behind me, the local warungs already open. Some people already there having drinks and enjoying this breeze, the ocean. But yeah, I can see that the majority of the people here, the tourists here, are domestic tourists. So yeah, this is how it is nowadays. Seems like when, Bali is already opening the gate, but not much people coming to Bali. I know that nowadays whenever you come to Bali, you still need to have a tourist visa, no free visa or visa on arrival yet. You still need to apply B211A visa and 5 days quarantine. So yeah.
And also, what about the masks?
And you have to wear a mask. So I read also in the news that the governor put on his page, so like the foreigners who are not wearing masks, when they are in Bali, they will be deported.
That's how is it. And there is the warung, and then just at the front there is the big construction of the biggest beach club in Bali, and I think in Southeast Asia or something like that. What we talked on the last video a few months ago when we were here. So yeah, that's how it looks.
Alright, so we decided to go inside the Fins Beach Club to see how busy hustle and bustle Sunday's Beach Club, Fins Beach Club on the weekend. Almost all the table already booked.
As you see, it's quite busy.
No sé qué tú ves en mí, mi amor. Ya no dejes de mirarme, que ya me gusta quién soy. Contigo me siento en control. Eres el balance en este mundo, poco humor. Se volvió ese chico que habló en mis canciones. Esas madrugadas y hermosas conversaciones. Se volvió ese chico que quería ver otra vez. Y me enamoré a volverlo a ver. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele, pero motivos para quedarme. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Tú me curas cuando más me duele. Sé que siempre has sabido amarme.
Eso de tortolito no queda bien, bebé. Por de tus amigas diciendo que no ven. Esto sea duradero, que sea algo sincero. Que un perro no cambia y eso es lo que es él. Pero tú lo viste, mi amor. Tú viste mi mejor versión. hiciste lo que nadie quería. Ser inspo para mis poesías. Secreto que tú solo sabes. Chico comparte maldades, pero sincero, verdadero, baby. Secreto que tú solo sabes. Momentos que siento reales. Yo lo prefiero que en un largo tiempo sea tu caballero.
Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele, pero motivos para quedarme. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Tú me curas cuando más me duele. Sé que siempre has sabido amarme. Se volvió ese chico que habló en mis canciones. Esas madrugadas y hermosas conversaciones. Se volvió ese chico que quería ver otra vez. Y me enamoré a volverlo a ver.
Okay, alright guys, I think that's all our video today from Canggu. And after sunset, you see the hustle bustle life in Canggu is already totally back to normal. Yeah, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!